Hi, I'm Travis Holland, Yamaha's ATV and side-by-side product planning manager. We're out here in Stony Lonesome, Alabama, talking about the all-new 2019 YXZ1000R. You can see this vehicle we have here in front of you is actually fully accessorized, so we want to talk about some of these accessories today. First thing you'll see on the front is a winch mount and front bumper. This accommodates the Warn Vantage 3000 winch. We've also got, as you can see on this vehicle, the A-Arm guards. They're both for the front side and the rear side. They give you full protection and really make a difference when you're out in this rough environment. Moving towards the back, you'll see that we actually have a new front windshield. This is a folding design, so you'll see it actually folds back and out of the way if it were to ever get dirty. It also has standoffs that allows you to vent the windshield if you need a little bit of airflow. You'll see we also have a light bar that mounts into the sun top. Both of these are very easy to install. There's pre-marked holes on the sun top. Inside, you'll notice we have a pod mount here on the upper dash. This will actually accommodate different switches and also the stereo head unit. We also have the Adventure Pro by Magellan. That's a direct wire. Gives you all the information of the vehicle as well as GPS function. You'll notice the side mirrors here from Assault that actually mount directly into our windshield mounts, which is a nice touch. We also offer a padding kit for the inside of the cab. Just offers a little bit more comfort for the rider and the passenger. On the back side here, you'll see the hard windshield, again, keeping all that environment out of the cabin area. Moving to the back side, you'll see our new spare tire mount. You'll see it slides out of the way very easy, so you have full access. We have a cargo box back here where you can store a lot of your trail gear. And the most important thing is all of this radiator relocation was actually designed for these accessories, so you don't have to worry about any overheating or anything by blocking that radiator. The 2019 YXZ1000R has a great new tire in the 29-inch Bighorn. We do know that some customers in different style riding environments, though, have unique needs. For that, we actually have 3 different accessory options to offer you. We've got the Moto Claw. This is more of a muddy, kind of wet style tire. Big lugs, easy to clean out the tread pattern, and it comes in a 30-inch size, 10 inches wide. Next, we have the Moto Hammer. This is more of a hard pack tire. This is a 10-inch wide tire, also 30 inches tall, and again, more hard packed. Then we have the MotoVator. This comes in a 30-inch size as well, but a 9.5-inch wide tread. And this is steel belted radial. So if you're looking for a tire that's got the maximum durability, the maximum puncture resistance, for more of a hard-packed, rocky style terrain, this is definitely the tire to have. We've evaluated all of these tires and wheel combinations with the YXZ, so you can be assured that you maintain that great handling and that great overall performance that the YXZ is so well known for. Feel free to take a look at shopyamaha.com. You'll have a full list of accessories that are available there and meet your needs.